So this is the room I'm going to be using for my exhibition. I've had some 8x4 boards painted. I'll put them together with brackets. These brackets here, so I can move and manipulate the boards as to which direction I want them. I've had lots of my images printed as proofs. Some I'm going to keep at 5x7, these 35mm using my Pentax. Some I'm going to keep this size, some I'm going to get the negatives and make bigger prints of them. So here I've put them all into collections just for editing purposes really. I like to lay all my images out to start with, move them about, group them, put them into different series of images just to see how they sit together really. So I also had some more 35mm printed, these are colour. Now thinking about my exhibition, I've had to think about fixtures and fittings. I'm going to use a variety of ways to produce with my exhibition. Bulldog clips, I've got here some glue, I'm going to use some paste too. I've got some double-sided clear tape here, some fishing wire, that's going to be attached to some of my bulldog clips here, masking tape, and also I'm going to be using some of these old corners here that you used to be able to get in for photo albums, also okay. Printing wise, I've made lots of contact sheets. After editing some of my images, I've had contact sheets done of all of the prints that I'm thinking of using. This is one of my favourite ways of editing, so I look at all of the images, group them, decide which ones I'm going to cut out, which ones I'm going to use. Do they need editing in different ways? Do they need cropping? Here's the contact sheet that I had from the prints that I had done too. And over here we can see some different images that I've had done. Now one of these ones is my favourite, obviously the iconic Brighton Rock. So I've had that printed in a larger scale. Some of the images are going to be large scale prints like this due to the size of the boards plus the area that I've got to. And here's some more of my prints that I've had printed. I've just printed these at home on my Canon printer just for editing purposes, just for me to obviously group again and decide which to use and which not before going to the larger scale prints. Obviously this saves on money. It is a bit time restrictive, but to see it, it's better to see them printed off like this for me and then decide so all these pictures on the walls at the moment are all going to come down. Now here's one that I've